The healing time after a mini dental implant treatment is about a 21-day period. We make a small pilot hole into the gum tissue and then the bone, and we screw the implant right into that pilot hole. During that 21-day period, we're in the process of making your final restoration, if that would be a crown, a multi-unit bridge. So the healing period is factored into that time frame, and we're basically waiting just for the gum tissue to tighten up around that implant. So it's not a long period at all. Unlike a conventional implant where healing may take anywhere from 6 to 9 months, you may be even in a year or more before the implant is restored. So give us a call. Let us take a look at your situation, a CT scan, and we can give you some options for replacing your missing teeth.